Hi, I wanted to show you what is wrong with the iBibo website. Let me go to hotels. I wanted to book a hotel for my stay in Singapore, and I'll be there in August. So let me do this. So it is showing me 6359 per room per night, and I want it for two people, and the total comes out to be 19,077, which is 19,000 rupees. Let me book it. Now, starting from a total sum of 19,000 rupees, here the sum is showing as 60,000 rupees. Can you spot the issue now? So, on the previous page, the total sum was 19,000 rupees for 3 days, one room for 3 nights, and now it is showing me 61,000 rupees plus. So, what is your take on this issue? Do send in your feedback.